Hi, this is Beto Beveridge. I'm with Teaching Technology Across Generations, and I'm a junior at St. Mark's. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the features of the Photos app. So right now I'm looking at a photo on my camera roll, and we're going to look at some of the options. So first I can select this heart button at the very bottom, and if I tap on that, it will automatically place the photo in one of the favorites folders. It makes it a bit easier to find if you're ever looking for it, and it's just a nice touch. In the bottom right hand corner, there's a trash bin. If you click on that, you can delete your photo. It'll come up with one of the options, and if you click on that, it'll delete the photo. You could just get rid of it and save some space if you want. Now, in the bottom left hand corner, you have the share button. And once you click on that, there's a variety of options here. You have some of your recent contacts, and then you have things like airdrop, messages, mail, all of that. It's just a quick way to send it, the photo. Then you can copy it, and there's some options where you could create an album or add the photo to an album. And you could just scroll through these, and there's a lot of different ways to share it. It makes it a lot easier to just click on one of the text message options and just send it straight to a contact. Now in the top right, there's the edit button. And once you click on that, you have a ton of different ways to edit the photo. So it normally has it on the automatic setting, but if you scroll right, you can find things like exposure and highlights and contrast. All of that you can use if you want to kind of change some of the details of the photo. Now, in the middle, there's the button and it's got 3 circles. It'll give you some of the preset Apple filters, and you could scroll through those and just select that. Now, to the right of that, you have the crop button, which you could use to edit the size of the photo. You could just take some things out of it, and then there's some auto crops, and you can rotate it at the top, and there's some more options. It's a little bit complicated. I don't use it a whole lot, but all of that's there if you really want to edit the photo. Now, if I get out of this photo, and it's at my total camera roll, okay? So I could press the select button at the top and select multiple photos, like so, and then it's the same process where I could either delete it or I could share it. Now, one more thing I'm going to show is the albums feature. Here I can either create an album, which is this plus button, and say make a new album, make a T-tag, and then I could just add a bunch of different photos from my camera roll. And say once I'm in an album, you could select photos and just share an album as a group from here. There's some more albums that your phone will automatically make for you, such as People, where it will compile all the photos with a specific face, or Places, which will compile all the photos from a certain place. And it's just the same thing pretty much as any other photo album. I think that's about all that I really have to show in the Photos app. I hope this was helpful, and of course we're going to be back with you with more videos in the future. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.